Hello, this is Travis. Today I'm going to be covering rest. First one is a whole rest. It looks like an upside down cap. Now, one of the things that my elementary teachers have taught me in music class was that if you can pour something into the cap, then it means it's full. So this is why it's called a whole rest, because you can fill it up to the top. If it was upside down, that'd be a half rest. Quarter rest. Kind of looks like, I don't know how to describe it. Kind of looks like a lightning bolt with a C to it. So there's this lightning bolt attached with the C. Or you can also say a Z attached to a C. Eighth rest. Looks like that. 16th rest. Looks like that. And that pretty much covers rest. Now the whole rest is equivalent to a whole note, except it's rest. Half rest. Quarter note. Whole note, half note, quarter note. Eighth note. And 16th note. So that's the equivalency. I forgot I didn't have my mic on, so hopefully this covers it. But I'll just quickly evaluate it. You had a whole rest, half rest, quarter rest, eighth rest, 16th rest. If you can fill the cap full with water or whatever fluid you want to call it, that's why it's called a whole rest, because it's whole or full. Whole, full rhymes. Half rest is just the top hat, normal top hat. Quarter rest looks like a Z with a C to it, a diagonal Z to a C attachment, and an eighth rest. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it at all. It just kind of looks like an arrow with some circle attached to it. And the 16th rest has two attachments. And this is the equivalent whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note, and 16th note. And that, if I can bring it close. That's at its entirety. That covers rest. Thanks.